Hey, what's going on, fellas? What we got here is a little shot from Dakar, Africa. And man, look at that view. We couldn't get the giraffe to run through the scene. Wouldn't cooperate. I think it might have been the lions. But anyway, this is a flare burner that one of my customers from Dakar sent me. Or he sent me these videos. I built this for him for a tire-to-fuel compound. And this is basically burning off gases that they have from the pyrolysis system. And they have sent me several videos over the years here, and some of them are just so cool. I thought I'd just put together a little montage, or whatever you call it, to show you guys what they got going on over there, man. It's pretty cool. Look at the amount of fuel that's blasting into that fireball there. This is a little clip of one of the Dragon burners. That right there's got to be every bit of a 700 kilowatt flame. That is just massive. Now, they did have a large array of burners, but I believe they were able to decommission all of those, and they're just using the one or two. This is a clip from another one of my customers in Africa. This is in Nigeria. I believe this is Azagio. I can't pronounce your name, brother. But this is a little drying system that they have, and they're basically using these gas engines to burn coal and pump hot air to dry these seeds. I can't remember what it is that they're drying, but it's a pretty impressive little getup. I think it's pretty cool. I just wanted to share that with you guys, and I have sent them one of the Godzilla burners to replace that pile of coal fire, and I'm going to be helping them out with some circulation tips, and we'll probably be only needing one of those gas engines there just to circulate the air, and the burner itself will provide the combustion gases, I think. But I'm going to be helping them out with that, and giving them some tips, and we'll be seeing some video of the burner replacing that coal eventually, if they send me the footage, that is. A lot of my customers are pretty happy, so they send me these cool videos, and I don't ever have time to share them with you guys. This is a customer who recently shared a little piece of footage of his device, and I'm glad to see that he got it working so well. He has his fuel tank very close to the burner, which is very important in cold of winter. You can't get lit up when the oil's just frozen, negative 20 degrees. And check that out. That is awesome. Great job of implementation there, brother. I'm definitely liking what I see there. I love the way you set this up. This is perfect. I like the way you didn't butcher the stove to do this. A lot of people have been putting it on the door. But this here is a piece of agricultural equipment that I built for a gentleman in California. This was a 5-burner array. This is the duck-bill Godzilla burners, and it is being used for weed management in a walnut farm. So he asked me to build this device for him, and he was happy enough with it that he kindly sent me a video of this thing in action. It ended up working a little bit too good. I think he only needed 3 of them, come to find out, for the size of his lanes. But nonetheless, it's a pretty impressive little setup. We're going to be taking a look at this thing driving through his walnut farm here in a second on the back of a tractor, and performs phenomenal. Check that out. That is just too cool. So I deal with so many people throughout the year, guys. I forget all your names, but I do watch the videos you send me, and I even requested from several of you if it was okay if I put this stuff on the YouTube channel. Some of you guys respond, some of you don't. I would imagine a lot of you guys don't care. I mean, this is pretty standard stuff. It doesn't take a genius to reverse engineer any of this, but just pretty cool that you guys do this, that you're happy with the stuff that I've built for you, so much so that you actually send me videos. You take time out of your day to get back into your email and copy and paste these links for me. Sometimes it's just a straight video you guys show me. I know that takes effort and time out of your day, so I do applaud you for that, and it just makes me feel like this is all going the right direction, When you get positive feedback like this, I just want to do everybody right. I don't want to be one of these rat bastards that all of us have dealt with. This here is a burner that I helped the guy put together. Just gave him some advice. I'm not always out there to just sell everybody stuff, you guys. For those of you who have the tools and the know-how to build your own stuff, I'm more than willing to get you down the road. And that's what this guy here has done. He's built himself a little preheater for a welding operation at work. Ended up being the hero of the day. And sometimes I get problem videos from my customers too. It's not all glory. This guy right here obviously doesn't have enough air to run his system. His compressor is just a little bit small. But you know, he doesn't know that. And when you're new and unfamiliar with this stuff, you really don't know what the heck's going on. And yeah, that's where I come in, man. I'm here to get you down the road, to build things for you that just don't exist, or to just get you guys down the road on a budget. This is Africa, for crying out loud. They ain't got 10 grand.